Google Meet is now available in Android Auto, making it easier to join meetings and receive calls from your vehicle. But what if you connect your phone and Meet app doesn't appear at all? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the most common reasons why Google Meet may be missing from your Android Auto and how to check whether it's simply a rollout delay, an account issue, or a compatibility problem. So let's get started. So before changing any settings, make sure your setup meets Google's basic requirements. You'll need an Android phone, latest Google Meet app installed, a vehicle, your phone connected to a USB drive, and the correct Google account. Outdated apps are another common reason new Android Auto features don't appear. So open the Google Play Store and check for updates to Google Meet, Android Auto, Google and Google Play services. If an update is available after installing them, restart your phone. Then restart your vehicle's infotainment system or disconnect and reconnect Android Auto. Many newly released Android Auto features don't appear until both the phone and vehicle reconnect after updates. Now, connect your phone to your parked vehicle. Open Android Auto. Go to the app launcher and look for the Google Meet icon. If it appears, you're ready to use it. If it doesn't, don't assume something is broken. Availability can vary depending on your account and rollout status. Next, check Google Meet on your phone. Open the app. Confirm you're signed into the correct Google account, and if you use multiple Google accounts, for example a personal account and a Google Workspace account, make sure the account that contains your meeting is active. Check that your upcoming meetings actually appear inside Meet, and also verify that calendar access is available if your meetings rely on it. If the meeting belongs to another account, it may not appear where you expect. Now, even if everything is configured correctly, the feature may simply not have been reached your account yet. Google announced Google Meet for Android Auto with a staged rollout. Rapid release users received it first. Scheduled releases users were expected to receive it by approximately June 26, 2026. Because this rollout is account-based, two people sitting in the same car with different Google accounts may see different results. If Meet is missing, even though your apps are updated, waiting for the rollout complete, maybe that's all is required. Now, once available, Google Meet supports several useful features through the Android Auto system. You can view upcoming meetings, join meetings with one tap, make direct calls, receive direct calls, and access recent call history. Also hear meeting audio through your vehicle speakers and speak using your vehicle's microphone. These features are designed for hands-free communication while minimizing distractions while you're driving. It's important to understand what Google Meet does not do inside Android Auto. When you join a meeting, your camera stays off automatically, of course. Incoming participant video is not displayed, and communication is audio only. These limitations are intentional and help reduce distractions while you're in the vehicle. If someone turns on their camera using a meeting, you won't see the video through Android Auto. You'll simply continue hearing the meeting audio while speaking through your vehicle's microphone. If you've completed every step and Google Meet is still missing, check the following. Is your vehicle or head unit fully compatible with Android Auto? If you're using a USB, try another high-quality data cable. If you're using wireless Android Auto, verify the connection is stable, and make sure Google Meet and Android Auto are fully updated. Confirm you're signed into the correct Google account and check whether Android Auto app launcher has been customized and whether Meet has been hidden. If this is a work-managed phone, your organization's device management policies may restrict Google Meet in Android Auto. Finally, remember that the rollout timing can still affect availability, so sometimes all you have to do to access the feature is wait. And remember, Google Meet in Android Auto is designed for audio-only communication with the camera disabled and incoming video hidden for safer hands-free use. If this guide helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Android Auto tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know whether Meet appeared after these steps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.